So, hello everyone. Today we will read about bipolar affective disorder. That was case number 3. Okay, we have discussed till 3 to 4 cases already. Now we have start today bipolar affective disorder. So, what is bipolar affective disorder? Bipolar, it means one person having the two emotions considering at one period of time. Okay, for example, if we taking someone, the name was Abhinav Kumar. Okay, see, these all are the pages here. Okay, Abhinav Kumar, uh, he have bipolar disorder. He got some rank from some any universities or college. Now what happened in that case, her sibling, they start abusing to him. Okay, now firstly, what he feel, become more scared. Okay, he become more happy when they got the top rank. Okay, now suddenly their mood will be swing because of their sibling behavior. Okay, so this is defined as a layman language. This is bipolar affective disorder. Okay, now there is a histories related to bipolar affective disorder. So this is a onset illness or acute illness. Okay, acute means if you read the two type of disease, first is a acute and second is a chronic. Okay, acute, which is going a very long period of time, where is the chronic, if we are providing some treatment, so that will be that will be uh, that will be degrees out. Okay, now the client was apparently well a week ago. Okay, so the 3 days before he got to know that they cleared the entrance exam. Okay, what I already told you, I am Ahmedabad. He had been very scared. He had been very happy about it. Now what happened in that case? Later the evening he got aggressive. Okay, their mood will be sudden change because of the he got joke said to their brother. Okay, now this is all about the history of the bipolar affective disorder. Now in the second steps, what you do, movement and behavior. Okay, firstly, when I start reading a first case, so what I told you, uh, if you notice out or if you considered any client or having any kind of disorder, so what you do in the first, you have to observe out. Firstly, when you observe out their condition, so you have to examine on the basis of their observations. Okay, so their movement and behavior. So aggressions was present and the patient was constantly moving his hand. So what happened when your mood will be swing out at a one period of time, so in that period of time your body, every organ will be change or shows the different kinds of movement. Your eye will be your eye blink continuously, your hand shake. Okay, your body shakes, your leg shakes. Okay, your eyebrows, that shows a very different kind of emotions. Okay, that will be ups and down. Your lips will be, mimicry start. So these all are the kind of change you have to observe out when you consider the bipolar affective disorder person. Okay, so this is the observations what you do in the first period of time. Now the general appearance and behavior. Okay, so what I read, there is some behavior we will discuss over there. Now second, what will we do, he is very good wearing a check shirt pant. Okay, so a patient, when what the gestures appear in the period of time when we are when we are when we are observing. Okay, so behavior was restless and wringing his hand, and his patient was uncooperative, hyperactive, restless. Uh, he is well dressed, but because of these disorder, his mood will be changed. Attitude toward examine is very uncooperative. Their rapid, everything will be changed. Okay. Now there, if we talk about their speech, so there is speech modulations. If we talk about the modulation, so their modulations will be ups and downs of very quick and very fast mode. Okay, their the very rapid pressures of speech was observed. Productivity are very less in that period of time when you observed a client. So reaction time was a degrees. Okay, their mood, if we talk about their mood and affect, so their mood is a very irritable, euphoric. Okay, the people become they have some kind of gloom to seem in their body gestures and postures everywhere when you notice out a person. Okay, their affect broad, congruent mood will be changed. Okay, their perceptions will be changed. No perpetuated disturbs are seen from the client. Okay, you have to notice out. Okay, the person will be very depressed and very disturbed types of people. You have to notice out in that period of time. Okay, so this all about their personality, what will be measured in the first period of time. Okay, the observations when we start. So this is the first case. Okay, first cases. Yes, first cases we will told about. Okay, first cases. Now what will we do? The treatment provide when you firstly observe. Okay, the client these problem or that problem. Now second step, what you do, you have to examine the test. Okay, so here in the case of the bipolar disorder, there is not any kind of a specific test designed over there. So in that case we will provide a some kind of treatment. So treatment plan, what you do, you have to be the prescribe a mood stabilizer. Okay, he was as a client, what I do, I just asked to come after a week. Okay, based on these conditions we will give in a various psychosocial treatment. If you read about the psychosocial theory, that was given by Erickson's. Okay, so psychosocial treatment such as the cognitive behavior and interpersonal therapy. So interpersonal therapy, there is a two kinds of word. If we when we read the our PDF, so there is a first is the interpersonal and second is the intrapersonal. Okay, intra is the within or inter is the when we talk about more than two people. Okay, so this is the kind of therapy we will provide during a treatment. Now the following the treatment plan which was helpful for the bipolar patient. Medications. Okay, medications we will apply, we will provide every period of time, every cases. Okay, in the medications what you do, you have to taking a mood stabilizer. Medications can help, what you do, for making a minimize the high and low of bipolar disorder and keep the symptom under control. Okay, through these medications. And now second step, psychotherapy. So we will provide a therapy very essential for dealing with the bipolar disorder, and the problem is has been caused. Working with the therapist, patient can learn how to cope with the difficulties and uncomfortable feelings, manage stress or regular mood. Okay, now educations, what will be provide education, this is a come under the treatment plan. Okay, now education, what will be doing the educations, managing systems, preventing complications, begin with the through the knowledge of illness. The more patient and his family know about the bipolar disorder, the better they will be able to avoid problem and deal with the setback. So through these prevention and through these complications, under the complications, if we having the proper knowledge to how to recover, how to provide a proper treatment to a patient, so that will be able to come out from their setback. Now lifestyle management. So by the carefully regularity lifestyle, patient can keep symptom and the mood episode to the minimum. Okay, so this is the lifestyle management. This is involve maintaining the regular sleep. What will be happen in the lifestyle, what you do in the regular basis, your sleeping habit, your eating habit, your talking habit, how to talk with the others. So these are all about your lifestyle management. Okay, so involving the management, regular sleep is very necessary. Sleep schedules, avoiding alcohols, drug, eating habit, mood boosting. What will we do? There is we will taking some mood boosting diet. For example, we will eating some fruit, some juice, some dietary that was healthy, some nuts, some cracks. So these is the dietary boosting dietary foods. Okay, now following the consistent exercise, we will write over there exercise program. Now minimize stress. So these all are helping to minimize our stress. Okay, and these are all under the lifestyle management. Okay, keeping sunlight exposure, these all are come lifestyle management. Now next come to the support. What we have to take in support. So living with the bipolar disorder can be very challenging. Okay, and having the solid support system place can make all the different in outlook. Okay, motivations, patient support of friend, family invaluable. So in any case, if your family, if your friend, if your parents, if your teacher, if your client, if you get a very polite, very supportive, okay, they if we are very they are very cordial, when they talk to, when they talk to you, when they given a certain kind of therapy in that period of time, when the person are very friendly, so your motivations will be higher. Okay, so these all are the kind of support. Now under the treatment plan, as I repeat again, there is a four thing. First is the medications, now psychotherapy. So there is a different therapy we will read about. Now educations, which is a very important. Now fourth is the lifestyle management, and last is support. What will be provided support. Okay, so this is all about the bipolar disorder. uh, there is not any kind of test right over there. So that's all about the bipolar disorder. Thank you.